2 weeks since Ukraine launched its audacious attack on Russia's Kursk region, Moscow now says Kyiv could attack a nuclear plant in the region. Russian President Putin has accused Ukraine of attempting an overnight strike on the Kursk nuclear power plant. The nuclear station is situated about 40 kilometers west of Kursk, a city of 500,000 people. It has 2 active reactors, 2 decommissioned older units, and 2 partly built ones. According to reports, the head of the UN's nuclear watchdog is due to visit the nuclear power plant in Kursk next week. He has said that the risk associated with the attack is very serious, as the facility could be damaged during Ukraine's incursion into the region. The threat of a nuclear accident is increasing by the day as the war drags on. The other high-risk zone is the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant in southeast Ukraine. That was the scene of an alarming situation a few days ago. An attack in the vicinity had led to a fire that the UN's nuclear watchdog reported was fully extinguished. Both Ukraine and Russia pointed finger at each other for the blaze. Ukrainian President Zelensky accused Russian forces of deliberately starting the fire as a form of blackmail. The Kremlin-installed governor of the Zaporizhzhia power plant claimed that Ukrainian shelling was responsible for the incident. For Ukrainians, the fighting around the nuclear facility brings back painful memories they already witnessed in 1986 of how technology which produces clean energy can also cause a disaster. We're talking about Chernobyl. Let's consider what would happen in case there is an explosion at the nuclear power plant. A catastrophic explosion, experts warn, could result in a massive release of radiation. In the immediate aftermath, thousands affected by acute radiation poisoning could have long-term health effects, including increased cancer cases. The danger does not stop at the explosion itself. Damage to the cooling systems of the reactors could trigger a meltdown, leading to uncontrolled heat buildup and further spread of radiation. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.